Alright, this guy says,
there is actually a step-by-step process to make $250 per hour with Google Drive, and I've actually done most.
Isn't this too good to be true? So I went ahead and analyzed the whole video using Google's AI. And I will tell you exact 5 steps that he is using to make this money. Okay, there is a good news and a bad news. The bad news is he missed the most important 6th step. And the good news is I will show you how to do all this in just 3 steps. Let's begin. Step number 1, go to this website, which is called etsy.com. Search with a key phrase digital product, and you will find people are making tons of money selling simple products like this book, like Passive Income with ChatGPT. 430 reviews. So now you know that people are actually buying. Your boring research part is done. Go to step number 2. Okay, before moving forward, this guy has actually done a good job. He basically gave away a bunch of digital products for free that you can download and upload it to sites like gumroad.com or warriorplus.com. Don't worry, it's a pretty simple step-by-step process. You can find tons of tutorials on YouTube, and you want to set your price. I have been doing this for many years. This is my Warrior Plus product, and my digital product business has generated over $4.4 million, selling 141,521 units of digital products. So the system actually works. However, what he missed in this video are the customers. So instead of doing this wrong step, go to step number 6 and do exactly what we are doing and this guy is doing. Make simple and valuable videos of 1 minute long and publish them on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And instead of sending all your visitors to a low price $3 products to here, send them to an automated funnel with a high ticket affiliate offer. This way, you don't have to worry about product creation, selling, shipping, customer support, and even your own website. All you need is this automated funnel, your own traffic, and the exact reason why our students love our program is that it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I'll send you a link, and I will DM you a link with free case study.